we want to pull the brakes early before we get in a situation where our CRM is flooded with junk leads. Are there any early warning signs that you would look out for, which might indicate that, oh, hold on a minute, this campaign is probably generating a lot of leads that aren't going to be qualified, and we're just going to have to kind of chuck away ultimately? So is there anything you look out for there?
This might sound probably like a daft response, to be honest, but if you sense that the numbers are too good to be true, chances are that they are too good to be true. I used to work with a B2B company, like a big one, and it had just 2 or 3 competitors, I think, for like multiple different products that they were offering. And they had quite a substantial budget, so I wanted to run some display ads, display prospecting ads, targeting users who have visited competitors' websites. And after the first like 3-4 weeks, the display campaigns were getting so many form submissions. But I knew like the landing page was offering just a gated content. The actual form, it was quite big form as well. Like it had 7 or 8 fields. But I still thought that the amount of leads from this type of campaign was just too good to be true. I didn't have access to their CRM system at the time, so I just pushed them to check their CRM software. And I was informed like after a few weeks that 90% of those leads were just spam. So things
I,
are, if it's too good, it's too good.
I really like that. And the reason it's so tricky is because it's so tempting to just go, wow, this is going great and the campaign's delivering, and like, the CPL is really low, and look at this fantastic and it's just like you're just kind of delaying the inevitable pain that's going to come later on down the line. But it is very, very tempting in that moment to, we all want to take credit for work that we've done well or whatever it is, and it can be so easy to go, this is great. But what you said there, if it's too good to be true, the numbers, it probably is, and you should probably start paying more attention to what's coming in the door if you're in that situation. Thanks for watching this clip from the Paid Media Lab. If you found it useful, you can get the full-length episode on the Lunio YouTube channel, where you can also subscribe to catch all our latest releases. And if you want free tools, reports, and guides to help you uplift the efficiency of your PPC campaigns, head to lunio.ai and click on the Resources tab in the nav bar. See you in the next one.